Hello traders, Jake the Stack Guy from jakethestackguy.com. I want to thank you and for signing up to your 14-day free trial and becoming a member over here with our team. So when you're on the Twitter page, I really encourage you to read the rules. The rules are so important. Risk management, position size. These are really, really key to your success. Now, I want to show you how to understand my shorthand. So here's an example of a call. Long vert, September 30C at 20C, stop at 10C. Okay, so let's go over here. I don't know what broker you're using, but I use E-Trade. So I'm going to go to VIRT. I use Power E-Trade. You may also use E-Trade, but if not, it's going to be pretty much similar, maybe a little different for you. We're going to go to trade. We're going to go to call, put. Quantity is based on your account value. So you're only going to spend about 3% of your total portfolio. So 270, that would be with one contract. So let's go back here. September, if there's no date, it means the end of the month. I put that at the top of the pin of the rules. So September, 30 C's at 20. So we'll go September 30, type call, price type limit, and it's at the mid is at 30. So you can see it's perking up. It's 10 cents above where we bought it. Then duration, good until date. You just put the end of September. Or you could put September 20th, which would be, well, that's a Sunday, so we'll go with September 21st, which is closest to the actual expiration date of on the strike. And then preview. Oh, so this is only going to cost us $30, so let's buy a couple more. Let's buy 10. Spend $300. Preview. It'll have a little bit of commission, $5 commission. So total estimated debt you'll spend is $305. Send. And I can go to modify order. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. Go to, yeah, it looks like this didn't get filled yet. I can modify, and I can just set it to the bid. So I pay set it to the ask. So I pay the extra 50. So the order gets filled immediately. View position. Still waiting on that to get filled. Well, this is I was making another tutorial video. Okay, so here we go. Vert call. We're already up $27. Very good. 1%. So, oh, we're down $55. Huh. Wonder why. Not seeing that. Anyway, um, it's really that simple. There's a lot more technicals, and there's a lot more technicals involved, obviously, with how I'm looking for things. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for being a member. I really do appreciate it. Welcome aboard. God bless, and I'll see you on the charts.